For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
World business analysts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are defective and temperamental. The world necessitates a significantly more steady and dependable money. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning sustainability and scalability. Notwithstanding, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. Over and over, the mixture agreement component of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it has additionally been in warmed conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the exceptional elements of Tezos. In any case, not very many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchange in local area. Colossal exchange charges and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in logically evolved stages. Numerous digital currencies neglected to change these issues. Cryptographic forms of money like Tezos has slowly swarmed the standard awareness and gotten momentum. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so give it sees a mass reception. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity obvious to different clients on the organization. The whole structure of Tezos depends on zero revelation proof, subsequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange technique, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Putting the power eventually in the possession of the client, Tezos has ordinary redesign plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the shifted use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. Tezos can trap false or fake exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. Tezos, evolution from gene to giant. Breaking free from the recent blockchain, Tezos was authored as one more unrest in the realm of second-age blockchain in the year 2018. Affectionately called a local digital money, Tezos blockchain is equipped for facilitating shrewd agreements and dApps. Presently what compels Tezos stand apart from its rivals like ETH, Bitcoin, and others is that here the independent direction is incorporated into the blockchain itself. Every one of the proprietors, i.e., financial backers of Tezos, the local crypto XTZ, vote on choices connected with the blockchain, including convention changes. Supported changes are then naturally applied, as the blockchain is self-changeable. Tezos, the rising sun. Tezos cost expectation has genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, thoroughly changing the pattern from the very outset towards the year's end. XTZ has had a noteworthy excursion all through. All said and done, XTZ pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. New organizations would carry XTZ to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for crypto opponents of XTZ. Instability, obviously, has conveyed over and over, been the apple of disagreement, yet that turns out as expected for any sort of money wherein factors expressed here and above impact and affect the cost of a computerized resource, Tezos being no exemption by the same token. There are likewise experts engaged with the examination of costs and the execution of exchanges on the web. The cryptographic money is fit for creating unmistakable pay, which draws in clients. Tezos people group has set higher benchmarks for itself regardless. Tezos will outperform the assumptions for all digital money financial backers who have found this stage very intelligent and straightforward. The progressive however consistent ascent in the cost of Tezos might not have won it the highest digital money grant, yet brilliant financial backers have figured out how to trust that this resource will perform and make all the difference for trade. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Tezos has not soared on the trade ascending to greatness, one conspicuous reality that arises here is Tezos is setting down deep roots, fill in the business sectors in full sprout. Tezos price prediction, 2022 to 2026. Contending and supporting in the extreme business sectors, XTZ is a computerized cryptographic money that has raised its own height, being known as a computerized or virtual resource with no strategies or state borders requirements. One cryptographic money will not show homage focal government pressures or be anchored in damaged and administrative financial shackles. Pandemic has brought to front a mechanical upset has shown a guide to financial backers as XTZ, and thinks about what? All with simply a web association and a cell phone. Tezos has made it workable for everybody to store and move esteem in a cache that is impervious to control. Tezos saw the chance to remove power from the establishments and offer a superior support, and individuals answered. XTZ works generally, i.e., interestingly, there is plausible of a worldwide cache. With a really worldwide money, opportunities for worldwide financial development and social equity are perpetual. Upheld by an improved decentralized accord and built-up network, XTZ expects to offer a firmly established benefit to its clients by disseminating its prizes system. The vision is to help the decentralized applications in XTZ, consuming lesser energy and offering greater dependability, all with a soaring velocity. No different either way, this vision is accomplished by giving the ceaseless limit of XTZ's primary organization. Endeavoring to influence the world guide of innovation, the whole environment guarantees that members benefit from blockchain-empowered utilitarian benefits. XTZ works with gains and assembles trust. XTZ empowers comfort and supports confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized app capabilities. When the designers join the unit, they are profited from an immense scope of privileges, incorporating conveying DApp and Tezos.net, developing their organizations dramatically, building up some decent forward momentum as forces to be reckoned with in thought pioneers. It wouldn't be an embellishment that this evaluated cryptographic money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle of $10. With government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves directly following the pandemic, this could come as a relief for all XTZ financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and yearnings to execute in Tezos. For enlightening purposes, one might peruse the specialized investigation with RSI level, groups, and so on, and news reports of the crypto market, and continue to follow the XTZ coin cost figure at regular intervals. Tezos Price Prediction 2022. In the event that all market factors turn for Tezos, this digital currency cost will perform richly, scaling the top as aforementioned, violating all limits over the course of the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few lazy patterns, it would clearly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Upheld by strong shrewd agreements, the Tezos cost may handily contact $5.60. Before the year's over 2000.